Mama kwa baba Xposed GH. If I'm a brand bros baby, I will be am link check a cinema. But also subscribe and subscribe. Me the tumpa na wonsa I can be. Ene asem ato Ghana. Ene asem esum edru ama Ghana. Na yeba Ghana. One musician I made a friend and say oh Ghana's Michael Jackson. Daddy Lumba. I a friend of Charles Kwadwo Fosu. Aye. Ene ntia yete ne se odaya wan sorry. Aye waye nyame dea.
Sad news yɛde Bremo GHP News GHP TV yɛde Bremo and say unfortunately kutawonse bi ayɛ ɛdabɔne ana bosome bɔne bi ɛde amaye dupon kɛseɛ pa ana atutu yɛnyina yɛwura yɛde hye yɛadeɛ nyina one of arguably the best musician Ghana has ever seen, Charles Kwadwo Fosu, is reported dead. Abusuafo asemi areho ya emo rem na dupon kese pa se dem di ka no ana atutu na 26th of July kutawonsa bosome ne da etoso aduonu nsia mfimpim yenu ene aduonunum ana this unfortunate news yaso atie yina yenim se Charles Kwadwo Fosu dodo na friend Dɛad Lumba obi a watonyom right from the 80s through the 90s 2000s at about 2010 ne bana he has survived every generation. Now a couple of years ago Anna Dɛad Lumba started or battle with various kinds of illnesses you know mu abunsa ne ho dodo no kakra na nyankopon adaroma ne ho atono no asaba be kan yensa na enoma ye kama but unfortunately news ayense kan sedem dika ka kire no and say very short illness na wanyare anchakra ana nyankopon na atonensa e de afre no. This came after say yenya release from DLFM, that is 106.9 omode official release ebaye na me person ka meje penny na making kan kakra e de amamu. The person of Ghana's musical icon Charles Kwadwo Fosu, known as Daddy Lumba. Now, with profound sorrow and deep grief, the Fosu family announces the passing of Ghana's beloved musical icon, Charles Kwadwo Fosu, popularly known as Daddy Lumba, who passed away earlier today, Saturday, July 26, 2025, after a short illness. Into way enkaiba abusua Fosu abusua nyina de bo Ghana for say womba wonde hye wade nyina kita wonsa bosome ne de to so aduonu nsia mfimpim mienu ne aduonu enum no wada ne nsa bonkum so na wanyare anchakra mekoso akenkan a Dɛad Lumba was more than a musician. He was a cultural icon whose music touched countless lives. His soulful voice provided the soundtrack to our love stories, and his poignant lyrics captured the poetry of our struggles, dreams, and resilience. Now the year change na said Dɛad Lumba influence in the music culture. Edu ba kwani ehunu say oye musician keke. Enyoma bebre, love stories bebre, love music bebre, Dɛad Lumba nyom. Ope reggae music akra Dɛad Lumba ho, dancehall Dɛad Lumba ho. Dɛad Lumba aye nyom de ama Black Star. Dɛad Lumba ewo obrofo nyom, owo enyoma enkwada, owo nyoma mpanimfo. Dɛad Lumba nyom de ekate across, even though it's built on high life, but the message ne de na ekate across throughout. Now, during his time of immense loss, we respectfully request privacy for the family and loved ones as they navigate this profound grief. Nti abusuan besre se yebema wo momre na omo ankasa enso etimi akyehyekyekye omo ankasa ho na omo so enya omo privacy. Details of funeral arrangements will be shared in the upcoming days, and this particular release is signed by lawyer Fatih Ali Yala, counsel for the Fosu family, Baba Jamal and associates. Nti abusuafo unfortunately said them dika kan dupon kese pa ana tutu yante asem de
ai na Daddy Lumba ye nim ne de wa ye nwum bebre album upon album de bi mu kwase 26 albums and all ne yeti asemi na sabe mabopusa chese me ne kra ekọ esun de masubi na eya ba nyame na onim yoye ba ye kase Daddy Lumba hwan Dɛad Lumba I send me kind friend of Charles Kwadwo Fosu. I wo no September 29, 1964. I was Suta Mampong. I was Shanti region. Ne papa ne friend or Hene Kwadwo Fosu. Na or a teacher. Sebe. no a teacher ai na osano na ohun say onim enyum to me catch that Lumba ai na okọ school so dropping senior high school na 7 na between 1983 and 1984 no na ono na sekwafo to nwom a no no na odi anim. Actually, no, all called Germany, no for me, Lumba brothers. I know a champion, and it's a champion. Munima, Papa na ne banso to nyomono, woman for me, yeah, and you might from Lumba brothers. Yeah, to nyom, yeah, can quite two money, baby na attach him. Ne girlfriend Teresa abebrese or the necra bon yoma yina ye hu ye. Now calculating the age in the Dɛad Lumba with 60 years. Na that Lumba hwemu yi a the first career no and the album no or the PA 1989 or releasing the debut album and your friend no ye yakan kwatuom no na a champion na no mabo no a saa nyom no na instant hit a baby abeko bia na yebo na ohwema over the years no that Lumba were releasing 34 albums enye adwumaketwa se wo ka Ghana wo mo mabɔ nwom pa de na oboa na nwom bi asebe atese a ewiase nyina te ye aben wɔ ha aben wɔ ha sate na ɛma ne de kansam aben wɔ ha bibi aben wɔ ha ɛna Teresa ne dɔfo na asebe also ɔboa na asebe onyina baabi no Teresa dangerous ɛna yentie obia no kra de na enche na sɛ yentie obia ayo kakakra yentie ɛna mpempendome ɛno nso wɔ hɔ na wohwɛ Daddy Lumba style na ɛnyɛ the typical traditional high life na sɛbe ɛyɛ obi te sɛ ampedu ɛne the rest no kra no ɔno deɛ ne yɛfrɛ no the burger high life because wohwɛ time na Charles Samoa ɔbae no fi Germany bae no ɔde burger high life bae no nipa baako pagya burger high life edu pɛpɛ so paako paayɛ Daddy Lumba and your buy on also fi Germany sa em say German for no more ensem bebre eka na sabe wo hwe ne nwom na not one now say I a blend of traditional high life music and the contemporary and I say the hip hop movement no me bo ma ene ya benya high life the I a fusion na your friend burger high life na yen hwe Daddy Lumba ne ye ka say private life kakra or are ma me bia ne your friend ma me say wa omo ma now so share that Lumba and the family more or keeping away from the social media and now ye nim who be brave. Now if you say there, Nancy yate to say no or yare even kwa say cancer, even say ni say or no aba nyami child no kono aba. Na no na yantia sempa. Enne ye kasa homachi or bank hospital wa kra. That Lumba or die one sorry. Now you heard Daddy Lumba over the years were one of the finest Ghanaian artists now having a net value he's worth about $5 million and yesika kuma and na sebe onenum to bebre through music and sika ye onya concert royalties and endorsements sebe onya ejuma ba ko Daddy Lumba de si ho a ye nyina ye beka ne ye DLFM 106.9 and also what Accra or launching no 2022 Daddy Lumba ye baby say e dey na waja at all o hwe Daddy Lumba ye catch and say all time favorite ye catch a goata e just be aponte greatest of all time Ghanaian high life music dey obi antime no because obi a wabon 34 albums there when any packet wa na the best album no so there oba your friend is saying you will winning awards be a crack award or yeah one person so I wish I knew to phone ma waboa nkofo bebre obi to sell for yamposa de bi o ka say enye Daddy Lumba nkonyo bia and the rest bebre na on the lighter side nkofo say eh na nansi anodum to phone back so wu ya sabe ono zi enya ne kwabre aye sabe no say one no asemi na eja omkwakoto asem no so ana ene asem sebe ba ne ametimi aka ne say ene ya hweda de ya hwe legend ya hwe obia ne replacing a very difficult. Yashiri the maestro I always say or you'll be a seven not saying you must say near bad music arrangements are won't me Daddy Lumba and your arrangements. He's one of the finest. Xposed DH and the best piano. The mama I Xposed GH subscribe share maybe 2 man hours after the mama.
That's somebody new to me. You can't many attach to be the for the paper, the walk. Minya music, give it to me and again. And you near me back. Johnny Opa, Nanya, Pampe. This is a bit with you. Some are growing, Jamie Wongo. Oh, Timothy, I'm on for Addy paper, heavy wappo. Arrow. And from my Eba, a brow we are going. Some from a crono, Sabonia, Rosso Timothy. Yes, he said, you have. Sansonedi amunsubo enti makragamo jana mwa umibia the beauty shazia yana maka yanum enti nansania umienya ni ani beauty